Good morning, everybody. It's Friday, rainy Friday to end our week. Today is Friday, May the 8th. Yesterday was Thursday, May the 7th. Tell me about the full flower moon that you saw. Tell me about the full moon you saw that you named yourself. I would still like to hear some of those creative full moon names that you thought of. After today, we will have a weekend, May 9th and May 10th. Saturday and Sunday, we won't have a lesson, but Sunday is a special day for mommies everywhere. Sunday is Mother's Day. So at the end of the lesson today, there is another video that's going to show you how to make a surprise for your mommy. It is a cucumber sugar scrub that she can put on when she is taking a hot bubble bath or a nice cool shower, and it will make her skin very soft and smell very good. So that will be at the end of this lesson, another video. So today we're going to do new blends on our word wall, and we're going to read all of our sight words that we have done up to this point. So for sight words, you don't need to get a sand tray or anything to write with. We're just going to be reading them, and we're going to go kind of fast since you should be practicing and be able to read these pretty quickly at this point. All right, so let's just get started. Try, buy, cry, my, why, where, who, what, when, will, with, see, soon, a, to, did, got, him, mom, yes, fun, get, I, had, for, all, sit, if, or, of, go, at, up, an, put, and, on, is, in, and it. All right, I've been thinking about words that we'll do next week. I'm thinking we are going to do either number words. So how do you spell the number 0? How do you spell the number 1? How do you spell the number 2? I'm thinking of either doing number words or, there's so many different things we could choose. Did you know, for example, that there are 3 different ways to spell the word to? Yeah, so I'm going to give it some thought and try to make them fun since we've been doing our sight words. That's kind of a theme lately. But get your May word wall ready. Let's go over the words from yesterday's poem. Pull, playing, scamper, bull, bleat are the new words that I added to my word wall. Now, don't forget, let's be highlighting or underlining the blends in the word. These blends that we're listening for will always be at the beginning of the word, either the first 2 letters. We haven't done any 3-letter blends yet. We'll get there, but an easy way to remember where the blend is when you're underlining is that they're at the beginning of the word and they're 2 letters that you read together to make one sound, okay? So let's look at SN, sn. S by itself says s. N by itself says n. But when we blend them together, they make a new sound, sn, okay? All right, I added 2 new blends today for our poem. On your word wall, add st, S-T, st, and add coal, C-L, coal. The poem today is short, and it's about the weather. I will read it once, and then I'll read it again a little bit slower. Actually, now that I'm looking at this one, I think I'm going to change my mind. I'm not going to read the weather one because this one has a lot more blends that we can use, okay? Now this is a song. I'm not going to sing it. I'm just going to read it. Okay, it's got a lot of different blends. So let's listen. Clippity clap and nickety knack, with the sack, a pick, a back. Gnome through the fir wood gropes his way, early at the break of day. Calls an echo clear and bright, cuckoo, cuckoo, little sprite. And from out her little house peeps the little bright-eyed mouse. Wow, did you hear all those blends? Today, let's do the blends together, okay? I'm gonna read it slowly this time. Clippity clap and nickety knack, with the sack, a pick, a back. Gnome through the fir wood gropes his way, early at the break of day. Calls an echo clear and bright, cuckoo, cuckoo, little sprite. And from out her little house peeps the little bright-eyed mouse. Okay. Cool. Clippity. That's one I hear. Clippity. Clippity. Clap. Coal. Clap. And nickety knack, with the sack, a pick, a back. Gnome through the fir wood gropes his way, gropes, grope. Grope means to feel for something, to grope. Gropes his way, early at the break of day, break. calls an echo. Clear. Coal. Do we have coal? Yep, we do. Clear. Now I'm running out of room on my word wall, so I'm sorry. I can't see. Make sure you've got plenty of room. Clear. It's terrible. There we go. Clear and bright. Bright. Wow, we're adding a lot of words. Clear and bright. Cuckoo, cuckoo, little sprite. Now, that's one that we don't have on here. That's one of those 3-letter blends. Sprite. See if you can figure out what that blend is. I'll give you a clue. It's the first 3 letters that blend together to make one sound. Sprite. 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 Good. And you can add that to your word wall. Sprite. And from, fur, from. Do we have fur on here? Oh my goodness, we don't. So see, this is 2 more new blends. So that other one that we just talked about, the 3-letter one, that would be S-P-R. Okay, and then this other one, from, fur. All right, 2 new ones. So, Sprite. People can't see this. Sprite. A sprite is like a little fairy. Sprite and from. From. Okay. And from out her little house peeps the little bright-eyed mouse. Bright. Oh, we already have bright. Okay, so that's bright too. I don't have enough room to add it again, but you can absolutely write the word bright twice if you want to. Okay, now let's go back through and make sure we are highlighting all of our blends. Okay, clippity, clap, clear, grope, break, bright, from, spur, sprite. Now I added ST on here. That was from our other poem about the weather I was going to read. Go ahead and leave it because I have a feeling we'll probably get to it at some point. But wow, look at how many words we've added to our May word wall. Remember that you can keep adding on to yours. You don't have to wait and do it with me and the video. So yes, stay tuned for the Mother's Day gift video. And any thoughts or ideas about what you all want to learn about next week? I would love to hear your thoughts. I'm going to give it some thought myself over the weekend. Try to be thinking about something fun we can learn about for the last 2 weeks of our video kindergarten lessons. Okay, hope you all have a great weekend and see you on Monday.